This is a 2012 Hurricane 236 Fundeck. This has a Yamaha 250 horsepower outboard with 215 hours on it. In the rear, you do have a rear boarding ladder, as well as walk-through and ski tow pylon. You do have your rear-facing speakers for tubing and being able to hear all of the awesome tunes you have on the water. This is equipped with a stainless steel prop. It does come with a galvanized trailer as well. On the front, you do have a set of docking lights. Moving up into the boat, you have long loungers up front. This does have a seating capacity of 12. You got in-floor storage as well as snap-out carpeting. You do have storage underneath all of the seats. This does have a table in the leg for it. You do have a little cushion out back to sit on. Here's your rear view mirror. On the dash here, you do have a Lowrance Elite 4M, as well as a depth sounder in all your standard gauges like fuel, your miles per hour, your speedometer, your tachometer, your volts, your trim. You have all of your rocker switches here, live well, cording lights, stereo, docking lights, bilge, and nav lights, as well as a freshwater pump. Here is your stereo. Again, holds 12 people. You do have speakers throughout. Again, this is a 2012 Hurricane 236 Fundeck. You can call James at Skipper Buds in Madison to schedule your appointment to view this beauty.